if I click on any issue in Jira and I click on priority, I can see that by default I get highest, high, medium, low, and lowest. Now you can change that by doing the following. You're going to exit out of this issue and you're going to click on the gear icon on the top right hand side. Then you're going to click on issues and you're going to scroll all the way to priorities. And you're going to click on add priority. Now let's say we want this new priority to be critical. And let's give this a description of problem is critical. And let's choose an icon. Let's say this one. And assign a color to it. Dark red. And add priority. Now, by default, this is going to add it to your default priority scheme. Okay, so if I click on priority schemes, I can see that this new priority is assigned to it, and therefore it's going to show on all the issues that belong to the support project and the web development project. So let's test this out. Let's go back to our web development project. And let's click on list. And I'm going to select the same issue. And if I click on priority, I can now see critical.